Welcome back to your favorite arts, culture, lifestyle, and travel show, where we give you all the tips and tricks to unlock the weekend the right way. Exploring injectables for skincare can be an exciting alternative to your glow-up routine. But what about the maintenance element? How often do you really need to keep up with treatments to stay on top of your skincare goals? Well, we visited a beauty clinic in Morningside, north of Johannesburg, to learn more about biorevitalisation. Not even the English, let's say it again. Biorevitalisation, a treatment that's been getting a lot of attention for natural-looking boosts, and that's something that's up my alley.
You might remember our visit to the doctor's rooms earlier this year. Needles, numbing creams and all as we explored injectables. And now we are switching gears.
Hello, Lulu. Welcome back. How are you? Are you for your follow-up botulana?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Consistency is key.
Yes, that's why I'm here.
If you break it down, it's bio means using your own body, and revitalization means putting life back into your skin. So biorevitalisation, when you look at yourself in the mirror and you see that you've lost your spark, your skin is dry, it's dehydrated, it's sagging, you haven't got that elasticity anymore as you get older. So from the age of 35, it's a great treatment to revitalise your skin, put the life back into the skin. Because topicals work from the outside in. Biorevitalisation works from the inside out, so it can reach deep areas of the skin which the topicals and serums cannot reach. Okay, so frown for me. Okay, so we're going to give there to stop this going down. Can you see? Okay, now frown again. Okay, relax. And then here, these muscles are from here. So we start off with a non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid. So we inject that into the skin, and that will not add volume to your skin. All it's going to do is add hydration and start stimulating collagen and elastin. So we have two treatments that can rehydrate your skin with hyaluronic acid, not giving you volume to the skin. Then we've got the two that are amazing for the skin, and it's using your own body, and that is PRP, which we've been doing for the last 15 years, platelet-rich plasma, where we take your blood, we draw about 10 milliliters of blood. In the tube there's an anticoagulant, and then we put it in a horizontal centrifuge, not a fixed angle centrifuge, so the centrifuge kicks out and it spins, and that creates and separates the blood from the plasma. Then we take that plasma, because that plasma's got growth factors, stem cells, all the things you need for your cellular regeneration of those fibroblasts.
Each maintenance session gently reminds your skin to stay hydrated, energized and youthful.
Okay, so all the other treatments do micro injuries to the skin. So either you prick it with carbon dioxide, which is also a regenerative treatment because it gets your body to make its own collagen and elastin, or you can do a laser where the heat triggers the body to make its own collagen, or you can add other substances which aren't natural. You can add it to the skin to attract those fibroblasts to make collagen, or you can do mesotherapy, where you do it with a special machine. You can push all the growth factors in. So this is different because it works from the inside out, but it's not one or the other. We always combine treatments to get the best result.
Biorevitalisation bridges the gap between skincare and more advanced procedures.
You need maintenance maybe once or twice a year. Come for a maintenance treatment, because unfortunately we're aging all the time, and then those cells start calming down and becoming sleepy again and dormant, and then we need to kickstart them to start. Yes. Okay, so it's maintenance. Everything's maintenance, not a sprint. This is a marathon.
Great skin is a journey, and your next glow up might start right here.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, those results were instant. Listen, if you wanna just get me something for the festive, you know where to find me.